Hello everybody, it's me the math tutor, and today I'll be teaching you prime factorization for 6th grade math. So the first thing that you do is that there will be a number. There will be a question that's saying, what are the two prime factors of, for example, let's say 72. 72. So first, you write 72 down, and then you break it down. So what times what equals 72? Well, we already know from our third grade multiplication facts that 9 times 8 equals 72. So that means we can break it down to 9 and 8. But these aren't prime factors yet. So we still have to keep breaking it down. So what times what equals 9? So, as we know, 3 times 3 equals 9. So we've broken 9 up to 3 and 3. And as we know, 3 are prime. 3 is a prime number. So we're done for that one. For this one, it's 3 squared, since it's 2. And we're all done breaking that one up. Now we need to break 8 up. So 4 times 2 equals 8. So that means that we can put 4 and 2 there. We don't need to break 2 down since 2 is a prime number, but we do need to keep breaking up 4 down. And 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 and 2. So we have 3 2's. So we're going to put that as 2 cubed. And our answer is 3 times 2 cubed. 3 squared times 2 cubed. And that's how we do it. So I'll break it down with a little more practice. So if they say it another way, they will say, what is the prime factors of, let's say, 44. So first we break 44 down. What times what equals 44? Well, we already know from our multiplication facts that 11 times 4 equals 44. So we can put 11 and 4. Since we don't have to break 11 up since it's already a prime number, we're going to keep breaking up 4. So 4 times what equals... so what times what equals 4? So as we know, 2 times 2 equals 4. So we can put 2 times 2 there. So that means 44 is equal to 2 squared and 11. And that's our equation.